Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Fidelity investment. Now Fidelity investment offers various ways to potentially grow your money. So here are some of the methods you can So to begin with this procedure, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and then your application is up to date. Now the step number one that involves in growing your money is investing in stocks and funds. Now Fidelity provides access to a wide range of stocks, mutual funds, EFTs, and other investment vehicles as well. You can invest in companies or sectors you believe will grow over time. Research and consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk. Apart from it, Fidelity also offers individual retirement account, that is IRAs, including traditional Roths and rollovers IRA. Now, contributing regularly to these accounts can help grow your retirement savings, often with tax advantage as well. And along with that, Fidelity also offers managed portfolios that are designed to align with your investment goal risk. They offer various investment strategies and actively managed accounts. And last but not the least, Fidelity Investment also offers FDIC, that is Fidelity Cash Management Account, that offers FDIC insurance and various features like bill payment, check writings, and ATM fee reimbursements. And while not an investment percent, it can be a good place to manage your cash flow. These were some of the ways to make money with Fidelity investment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.